This is a 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now that's the light over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the lift gate. So open the lift gate. We need to get the light out. The light is held in place by those two screws, one over there and the second one over there. For that you will need either a 10mm socket ratchet combination, one that looks like this, or you can use a PH2, a thick Phillips head screwdriver. When you're using the screwdriver, make sure that you push it down and then you twist it left. So push it down, twist it left so you avoid stripping the screw off. It's better to just use the socket ratchet combination though. Use that, take the screws off one by one and keep them somewhere safe. You don't want to lose them. Now to get the light out, we need to push it straight, not at an angle. You don't have to wiggle it, just sort of hold it the way I'm holding it and then push it to the back of the car straight. It's gonna pop out and that's totally okay, don't worry. Okay, push it back straight. Now if you want, you can just replace the bulb as it is, or if you want to make your life easy, just press down on the electrical connector there, get the connector off, and now you can just take the entire light out and just work on it in peace, right? Just get it out. There it is. Now that's the reverse light bulb over there. The way to access it is from behind it. That's the bulb holder. All we have to do is just grab it, twist it left, it's loose, get it out. That's the bulb right over there. In order to get it off, just grab it and pull it out straight. It comes right out. Let's take a closer look at it. It's a simple 921 or W16W. That's the bulb size number, 921 or W16W. Get the new bulb, push it in, and it's locked. Now let's put the bulb holder back in. Now when you're putting it back in, you see that notch over there, the slightly bigger one. That aligns with that slightly bigger tab that cut out over there in the light. So when you put it in that way, it just drops in. You don't have to spend time wiggling it. It just drops in. Once it's in, twist it right, it's locked in place, and that's it. When you're putting it back in, you have to make sure everything's aligned. Like those two holes over there, there's one black pin that goes in that hole. Then there are two metal alignment pins on the light. They go in those two slots. And then there's the black cutout that goes on the white tab. Everything has to be aligned. That's the whole trick to doing this right. But before that, let's not forget to put the electrical connector back on. It just goes in one way. Click it in place. Align the light the way I'm showing over here. Be patient, it's going to take about a minute. Just align the light and particularly pay attention to this tab over here. There's one in the corner. Just make sure that slides on correctly. Once it's sliding on correctly, the light will not be sticking out from the body. Like it won't be like sticking out, because if it's sticking out then it's not going in properly. Okay, so align it properly. It should look the way it's looking right now in the video. And once everything is looking good, all the holes are lined up, all you have to do now is just give it a final push to get all the alignments pinned in their place like that. That is good. Now we just have to put the screws back on and tighten them up. And that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found it useful.